Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. The diagram shows a trapezium ABCD. AB equals 12 centimeters, AD equals 8 centimeters. So, for example, this may be A, for example, and this maybe be the two parallel sides. So this side is parallel to this one. Okay, the trapezium has an area of 112 centimeters squared. Work out the perimeter of the trapezium. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So we need this to 3 significant figures. Right, so first and foremost, what we're going to be doing is we're going to try to work out, try to link the area of the trapezium to what information. So here's the formula to work out the area of a trapezium. So we should have a half, an open bracket, multiply one of the parallel sides, which is going to be 12, plus B over there. We'll call it CD for now, because that's the length CD. Close the brackets, multiply by the perpendicular height, which happens to be 8, which is equal to the area of trapezium, which happens to be 112. So let's write down 112 centimeters squared. Then a half of 8 is 4. Then you get 12 plus CD is equal to 112. Divide both sides by 4. So therefore you get 12 plus CD is equal to 112 divided by 4. And therefore you get CD is equal to, well, if you do 112 divided by 4, you can use a calculator if you wanted to. You should get an answer of 28 divided by 4. There you go, so you get 28. And then what we're going to do with that 28, we need to take away 12 from both sides. So therefore the value of CD is equal to 16 centimeters. Let's fill that in. Let's write 16 centimeters over here. Now that's the length CD, that's fine. Now what we need to do, we need to work at the perimeter, but we need to work at this line segment BC. So what we're going to do, we're going to bisect this. So start from over here, bisect this, recognize this is going to be a right angle triangle. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to work this out. We need to work out this length over here, and we need to use this procedure of Pythagoras. So this length over here is 8 centimeters. So let's label that as 8. This length is 16, take away 12, which is going to give you 4. And now we need to use Pythagoras. So Pythagoras theorem says a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So a squared is going to be one of the short sides, so 4 squared plus 8 squared is equal to bc squared. Now 4 squared is 16. 8 squared is 64, and what we're going to do, we're going to square root both sides, so you end up getting something like this. The square root of 16 plus 64 is going to give us 80. The square root of 80 can be broken down. You can plug it straight into your calculator if you wanted to. It's not a problem. Can be broken down into root 16 multiplied by root 5 if you wanted to. And therefore this works out to be 4 lots of root 5 centimeters. That's the line segment BC. Now we need to work out the perimeter. So the perimeter is, so let's work it out of here. The perimeter is equal to the sum of all the sides. So therefore you've got 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 4 root 5. That should give you 8 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 16 is 36, 36 plus 4 root 5. Let's plug that into the calculator. That's going to give us 36. Let's cancel this. We get 36 plus 4 root 5, 4 root 5. You could also write root 80. It's the same as root 80. That's not going to be a problem. And your final answer, we needed 3 significant figures, and your final answer should work out to be 44.9 centimeters. 44.9 centimeters. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.